got it all. She's got talent, she's creative, she's empathetic, and quite honestly, she's always the best dressed in the room.
Colors are brighter, my steps they are lighter. The skies never looked so blue. A new day is dawning. I feel that it's starting like a flower that's ready to bloom. I feel the love, love, love all around me. I'm sending it right back to you.
Hey, Joe, we finally made it here. We miss you so much. We wish you were still with us, but I'll tell you, I totally envy you and Jay with the life you are creating for each other. You're both wonderful, but you are extremely special. Jay, but you're extremely special, okay?
We love you, Joe.
We love you, Joe.
Love all around me.
Even the small things like that, she's the best. And there's no other that is more caring and loving. You're the best mom anyone could ask for. Happy birthday.
I feel the love, love, love all around me. I'm sending it right back to you.
Happy birthday, Mom! We love you so much.
We're looking forward to a really cool year with you here in California.
Love you. Bye, Mom.
Bye.
I feel the love, 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 love all around me. I'm sending it right back to you. Such a sweet melody, the song in my heart plays. I hope it's playing for you. I hope it's playing for you.
Joe is the most special person, and we are so delighted to be here and enjoying this wonderful occasion. So thank you for having us.
Lots of love.
I'm dreaming about a place with only the good kind of rain. And the clouds are just there to shield your face.
You're such a wonderful friend. Meeting you through Rotary is probably one of the greatest gifts of my life. Not only did you help me become successful, but you made my life a lot easier, and your friendship and your hard efforts and everything too.
Well, happy birthday, Joe. I am so proud of you, and you have just been an inspiration. Everything you ever do, I'm always amazed.
You show your love with your actions, and I hope this party helps to show you how much we all love you. Here's to you, Mom. Happy birthday.
Nobody I have ever met puts others before herself more than Joanne Holman. And I think that everyone here knows that, and that's why you're here. Joanne Holman is amazing. She is the most wonderful partner I could ever ask for. She has taken me to different levels of, what would you call it? Kindness, happiness, patience. You are wonderful. I love you so deeply. And I am so glad that we are here to celebrate your birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, Joe. From the patio at BCYC.
We did it. You were surprised. Praise God. It all worked out. And we love you so much. You are our forever friend. Let's go to Largo.